Starting the HTML tutorial. Before we know what is an HTML. HTML means the hypertext markup language. This is not a programming language, but it is a markup language. Just show the presentation of the web pages. So what kind of the web page, how it looks, and how we can put something in the HTML. Now it's a describing for the web page, standard for the hypertext markup language. It is the set of the tags. Whatever we are writing in the HTML, this is the tags. The HTML document containing the tags and the web pages, the document of the HTML is called web pages. Now for the making of the HTML, we need any IDE, integrated development environment, or editor. If we are using the Microsoft Windows, so we are using the Notepad. So first I am opening my Notepad. So after the open the Notepad, I make it first save. By the default in the Notepad, the text format is txt, but it can support all type of the formats. Now I made first the HTML tutorial, and here I made the first page, index.html. It's up to you whatever you make the name, but mostly we are writing with the index, but it's up to you. Now the HTML page is created. If I want to open this page, I go to the folder first, and the desktop I have a page HTML tutorial. Where is it? HTML tutorial, and here this is the file HTML. Okay, now I'm opening with the Firefox. Okay, this is the output where I didn't write anything, so the page is blank. Here is written what is the location, and location is also written as here. Now first we go to the basic structure of the HTML. In the basic HTML, we have the HTML tag. This has the same programming language. We have the scope. So same HTML tag has a scope. Slash means the finishing. Now this is my complete page from the HTML to /HTML. Whatever I write in the page, it should be inside in these two tags. Now after the HTML, we have the head tag. The purpose of the head tag, what we have inserted is a hidden form or not in the body actually. The purpose of the head, for example, we want to add some scripting, some additional files to improve our HTML. So we all make in the head, or we can insert in the head tag that we can call anytime to the main page. In the head tag, we have the title. We have the title tag, we have the meta tag, and we have the we can use the script as well. So because the title is inside the head, so I have closed the title first, and this is my complete scope of the head tab. So I will make little easier to you. Here is the head tag, and this is my HTML tag. Now after that, my body tag is start, body, and /body. So this is my starting basically. Now I made the save and just open my file. So there is nothing in the change of the page. because I didn't write anything, I have just made. Now my first thing is, for example, if I open any website, let's suppose CNN. So see this website. When I open this web page, you will see we see there is a title here, CNN, the breaking news, and something else. It doesn't show you the link, just as in my page here is show the linking. So how can I change it? By using in the title. So I write here my first page. Okay, now I write my first page in the title box. So see in the title, the title is changed to the my first page. Now I am ready to write my program. In the body we have using the two tags, head, or they are the two basic tags, head and paragraph. There is a lot of text also, but the main are the head and paragraph we always use. The head text means the heading text. Whatever you write in the head, it must be in the bold and the highlighted form. It's just like the headings. In the HTML we have the 6 headings. My heading, my heading 1, and in the paragraph I use the tag of P. /P. So this is my paragraph. Now let's see what is the change here. See, the heading is in the bold format with the big font, while the paragraph is in the normal font. Okay, now how many headings I can add here? Let's see. We in the basic HTML give us the 5 basic headings. Sorry, it gives us the 6 headings. No. I'll make it. I will change it to H2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one is 6. But normally we need 1 to 3: main heading, subheading, and the topic heading. But this is an additional feature of HTML. No. So here is my 6th heading as well. That's 6. You must know that the HTML is not a case sensitive language. Not a case sensitive means HTML is we can use the HTML could be the capital letter and the small letter as well. Now I have run it. Let's see, I have the 6 different kind of the heading. Even the last 2 headings, the H4 and H5, is smaller than the paragraph. Okay, and the next tutorial we will learn how to make the more things, and we need the paragraph, how do the formatting. For today it's final. Now subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, kindly like it.